Alright, so this is a little tutorial to help you set up your Google Plus community. It's actually quite easy. And remember that in order to do this, you will have to have established a Gmail account, and all of your students will have to establish a Gmail account as well. So after you've established a Gmail account, you'll notice here on the Google homepage that you click on your icon with your name and the plus sign to get to Google Plus. Okay, and from here you're going to click on Home, and then you're going to click on Communities. And once you click on Communities, you'll see the prompt to create a community. So you click here. And at this point, I'm pretty sure you want to keep your community private, only for you and your own students. So you're going to choose this option and give it a name. And then just simply click on Create Community. Okay, and basically your community is actually created at this point, but now you want to add some personal touches of course. So you can come up here and just create a subtitle, or they call it a little tagline. So we'll call this Demo for our Watisal colleagues. And you probably want to choose a photo to represent your community. So the easiest way to do that is just simply to open a new tab, come over here to Google Images, and I usually put something in like building a community. And that usually gives you some nice choices. So let's choose this one. And you're just going to have to save this, of course, on your desktop or in your document somewhere. So we'll just save the image. And this is going to go to Pictures, so Community Building. I'll call this Community Building 2 because I think I have another one in here. And save it. And then come back to your Google Community and click on Pick a Photo. Select a photo from your computer. And I'm already in Pictures, so just come down here to the icon that we selected. And we'll set as community photo. Alright, and there you have your picture. And if you come down here a little farther, you can put a description. This is an online community for the students in Sheryl's ESL class at Carlos Rosario. Okay. Okay, so we've put a tagline in, we've added a photo, we've completed a small description. Adding discussion categories, you can create different categories for the things that students post. I usually don't get that detailed, so I generally skip that part and just click on Done. Okay, now you have the option here of beginning to invite your students to your community. So, for example, here's where you will have previously created a list or collected your students' Gmail accounts. So I'm going to use Christy's for the demonstration, and she's Computer Christy, or Computer ESL Christy, I think. And you can do more than one at a time, but we'll just do hers. And we'll click on Send. And then she will receive a notification in her Gmail account that I have sent her an invitation to join my community. And that's basically it. So if you want to put your first post in here, for example, tomorrow's homework is page 10 in your workbook. Okay, and I generally try to put a photo or something to make it a little more interesting than just simply a comment or a post. And again, that's just a very easy thing to do. So for example, I could come here to Photos, upload something from my computer, and we could show someone here, for example, doing his homework. And that just makes it a little more fun and a little more engaging or stimulating for the students. And then, of course, you're going to click on Share. And you have your first post. So here's your little description right here of your community. Here's the subtitle or the little tagline. And here is your logo, for example, for your community. And that's it. Once you begin adding once you begin seeing the students receiving or accepting your invitation, you can go in here and you'll see all of the people who have received your invitation and accepted your invitation to become a member. And then over here's your little gear icon where you can again invite people either from here or over here. You can edit your community, you can manage your members. You probably don't want to leave the community because it's the one you created yourself, but you have some things in here, some options in here to help you do some edits or to make some changes. And that's it. So the next presentation will show you where Christy will go to her email and see the notification and accept the invitation to join the community.